Another simple meal prep idea, I'm going to show you how to do pan rolls at home with fish. For the filling, I'm using 1 can of mackerel and 1 can of tuna squeezed well and 1 large potato grated. Don't add too many potatoes. When you freeze, it becomes so mushy. And 1 onion with few cloves of garlic and about 1 inch of ginger crushed. Half a teaspoon of pepper and enough salt and chilli flakes to your taste, and any herb as you wish, about a tablespoonful. So let's do the filling first, and after I'll show you how to do the pancakes. Into a pan, add about a tablespoon oil. When the oil is hot, add the herbs and then the garlic, ginger and the onions. Stir fry a few minutes. Once it is translucent, add the potatoes. And the spices. Cook until the potatoes are tender. Once the potatoes are ready and they are not overly cooked, just tender, add the tuna and the mackerel. You can add only tuna or mackerel or both. It gives more flavor. If you like only, you can squeeze half a lemon into it to get that fishy taste out. You need to mash it up, if not it will break the pancake. And it's ready. These are the ingredients for the pancakes. I'm using 750 milliliters water, cold water, and enough salt to your taste, 3 eggs, half a teaspoon of baking powder and 2 cups of plain flour. So let's start. Into a bowl, add the flour. Into that, add the salt, break the eggs, then half a teaspoon of baking powder and a bit of water, not the whole lot. So mix well. If you add water at once, the flour won't dissolve properly, so after, add the rest of the water and mix. This is optional. If you like, you can add about a teaspoon or 2 oil into it. So it helps to release the pancakes easily. Put a pan on the stove and add a bit of oil and add a spoonful of the pancake mix. And slowly turn it all over. Once the pancakes are ready, slowly take it out from the pan and put it onto a plate like this. So let's pour another one. While cooking one on the stove, you need to do the pancakes one by one. So you need to do the filling. Put the filling into the middle or the corner. Fold the ends and then slowly roll it all over to the end. Like this. So put it on a tray while working on the other. So once you finish one, the other one is ready. So take it onto the plate and pour the other one. Before do the filling, you need to do another one on the pan, so it saves your time. So put a tablespoon of the filling into the corner like this. Fold the ends, then roll it all over. like this and put it on a tray. So when you do it, make sure that you spray a bit of oil onto the plate so it releases the pancake quickly. So just finish the other one and this one is ready. To do the pan rolls, into a bowl add about 1 cup of plain flour. Into that add a pinch of salt and 1 cup of water and a bit of turmeric powder for color, and whisk. At this point you need to leave enough oil to deep fry to be hot. You can do the egg wash for this, but you will see the difference between this and the egg wash. If you do it, it becomes very soggy, but when you do it with the plain flour, this batter makes it more crispier. And then we need some breadcrumbs. I'm using panko breadcrumbs. It stays more crunchier when you freeze it. Now let's do the crumbing. For that, get the rolls, dip it in the batter and then in breadcrumbs. Roll nicely. Size of the pancake depends on the pan that you are using to do the pancakes. You can make it bigger or smaller. When the oil is hot, put some breadcrumbs into the hot oil. So once it comes up, the oil is ready. See, the oil is hot, so I'm going to put the pan rolls in and deep fry them on a medium heat until golden brown. So if you are going to freeze them, take it when it is slightly golden brown and put them on a wire rack with the paper towels to drain. If not, you can fry a little bit longer until deep dark golden brown. So going to add the next batch. So I finished making them. Once you freeze them, you can thaw them and deep fry or put it in the oven to make it crispier. So if I cut one to show you, this is how it is. Serve with some nice tomato sauce on the side and hope you will enjoy. See you next time.